Okay, go.
Go.
Okay. Hello, my name is James, and Booger, and then Blake.
I'm beside you.
What
Hi.
we're gonna be doing
I
today
am teeth though.
is football.
She's so.
And there's gonna be one defender, one quarterback, and one receiver. We're gonna do it 3 times. And then the defender is gonna become the receiver, and the receiver becomes a defender, and the quarterback comes as a receiver and the defender. Here we go. I'm gonna be the quarterback first. Boog is going to be the defender, and then Blake is going to be the receiver. Here we go. All right, fellas, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Down. To height. Longer. Oh, on him. That was just for fun.